Our baby one is ready to go. Now we will go to Max's for last dinner. Right? With everyone. Oh, you are getting dirty. He's eating his dinner. Guys, we are already here at Max's with full family. Last dinner with full family. Our baby Ivan in his baby chair, ready to eat tofu and kare kare. Hello, baby Ivan. Huh? You are looking at menu. You are so excited to eat tofu. Pogi Pogi Ivan. Hey Pogi Ivan. My baby is beside me. He will eat with me. And here is everyone. So guys, our food is here. Sizzling tofu without onion and garlic. And look this man. No patience at all. With onion and garlic. And this is with onion and garlic. This is our kare kare. Looking delicious, right? Creamy. So, let's go! Pasok po tayo. Okay lang. Oh, dito po ang, ay, bongacious. Fabulous. Ay, nahihiya. Sala. So, ito po yung salas nila. Ayan. Kaya lang, may nawawala.
Oo, kasi
Basag. Center table. So, dinur na natin kanina yung mga binan ko and tuwang-tuwa sila sa bahay. Sobrang gusto daw nila tita since very luxurious daw yung dating. Ay, bongacious. Parang ayaw kong itur yan. Parang gusto ko ito. Dito. Ano po?
hindi ako prepared.
Ay, binugla. Surprise visit. Okay, ano to? Dito.
Master's bedroom.
Yes, master's bedroom. Pero alam nyo guys, yung pinakagustong part ng bahay nila, itong CR. Oo, may walk-in closet. Kasi, alam nyo ba, syempre kapag hindi na tayo tatakbo ng walang damit. Yes, dito na lang tayo magbibihis. Yes. And malaki yung nila, yung CR nila, oh.
Pasensya na po, madumi.
Eh, madumi daw. Madumi pa daw yung CR nila niya, no? Ganda. Talagang nag-house tour tayo, no? Hindi, madalang lang kasi ako umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, pinapakita ko yung mga lifestyle natin.
Hindi po hindi po siya...
Di po namin pinaparenta, amo. Ito naman yung kay Jinjin. Kay Jinjin to, no, Jin?
Hi, G.
Room ni Jinjin.
Bisita.
Apo. So, uwi na kami bukas, tita. Kaya, ayan.
Ayan po, yung aming maduming
CR. Ayan. Pero maganda, alam mo, tita. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko talaga. Ayan. Nahihiya siya.
Ako po ng
Oo.
gamit na nalaban ko.
Hindi, alam nyo kasi, ang tita ko, guys, chief nurse kasi siya.
Nurse na. No.
Ay, hindi pa ba? Ay, sorry. Hindi, chief nurse na yan.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. O, ayaw niya palang mag-chief nurse. Gusto niya lang nurse. Walang chief. Oo.
Ito po, basta nalaban ko.
Dito po sa pamilya namin, talagang happy-happy lang. No, tita? And ito yung dining table nila. Ayan, sana magkaroon din ako ng ganitong bahay.
Grabe man, tatlong ganyan yung mga mo, no?
And alam mo yung pinaka gusto ko dito, tita? Yung pa-fish nyo dyan, oh. Diba, bongacious.
Magsinelas ka.
Ay, wait lang, kausapin ko muna ang mga bilan ko kung ano ang masasay nila sa napakagandang bahay mo. Wait, ayan, Nag-ano sila, mami, gareke uche. Bouj mo to. Masta che? Evirite बनाऊ भावदी केवू छे पप्पा जोरदार छे एकदम पीसफुल जो ने जानू how was it
बहुत जोरदार.
you like it Ah.
આવું ઘર બનાવવાનું આપણે
Ah.
એકદમ સ્પેશિયસ
Ekdam spacious. Oo.
બોરી બનાવી દઈએ
Gusto daw niya magtayo sa mango farm, guys. And our baby Ivan. Hi! Hi!
Now we will say goodbye to Philippines. Bye bye resort. I will miss this resort so much. Now we will leave from here for airport. Everything is ready. Our luggage is done, and now we will leave. Let me show you everyone. They are.
Guys, હવે અમે જવાના છે. Bye bye. Let's go.
આવે છે તા મમ્મી?
Uwi.
Oh, every mother is same. In every country, mother is same.
Wait, agree ka. Wait lang. Wait. Milan, slow mo kay Ruto eh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lolo.
Bye bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, take care.
Take care of.
Drink less. Drink moderately.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Sige na pa. Bye-bye. Love you. Kagagaga.
Thank you, thank you.
Baby Ivan. Good morning, baby Ivan. Ivan. Hi. Ivan. Hi. Oh, very good. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Mwah.
Mama, going back to India.
Mwah. Ah. Last bye-bye to Philippines. Philippines, you beauty. I will miss you. Okay, bye-bye Philippines. We go. We have already checked in our luggage and now we are very hungry. We need to eat something because we didn't have our breakfast and we couldn't find anything vegetarian in airport. It's very hard to find vegetarian food here. And in flight we don't have vegetarian meal. Like we have vegetarian meal but it's Asian vegetarian, so we might not like this. So now we are buying food here. There is something like pandi coco and we will buy so mangai le. And we will buy sandwich here, vegetarian cheese sandwich. Let's see if we like it or not. Mozzarella cheese stick with what is this sauce?
Spicy.
Spicy sauce. Ah, this one.
No, it's different.
No, it's like Mexican sauce. Ah. Here is our pizza. Attack.
Nice to see you.
Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.
Take care.
See you soon. I miss you. Huh? Look at him. Look at him. Huh? Huh? Bye bye. See you. Flying kiss.
Kanino battle?
We all are together in same seat. Look, Elaine. Hi. Occupied mommy and papa's seat. Window seat.
Because of baby Ivan.
Because of baby Ivan. Yes.
There's a reason.
We all know the reason.
And you cannot show me.
Yes. Here is
Ivan no food ka isa.
Ivan and Papa are over there on Milan and Elaine's seat.